Stellar Biotechnologies is the world leader in the production of keyhole limpet hemocyanin, KLH. KLH is an immune-stimulating protein that's widely used in the field of immunotherapy, which happens to be the fastest-growing sector in the biotechnology industry.
KLH has been used historically as a carrier and adjuvant for directed immunotherapy, including cancer vaccines, autoimmune vaccines, as well as Alzheimer's vaccines. Another major areas of usage for KLH has been in the diagnostic area, where KLH has been used as an immune function test.
Stellar's platform is the KLH technology, whether it's to produce the protein at a high purity, high quality GMP grade for conjugation of other antigens, or for the immune system diagnostic function testing, or to further our own immunotherapies in-house.
KLH, or keyhole limpet hemocyanin, is a respiratory protein that's only found in Megathura crenulata, the giant keyhole limpet. It's a marine gastropod mollusk found along the rocky shores and reefs here in Southern California.
This molecule is very large. It's one of the molecules so large that it cannot fit into the traditional DNA expression vectors or cannot be synthesized conveniently.
KLH has been a challenge for pharmaceutical companies because of the rising demand for the product, unsustainable manufacturing methods that were applied historically, and the absence of a technology really to bring the source animal into domestication to allow sustainable production, which is scalable and traceable.
We applied decades of aquaculture science to a pharmaceutical industry challenge. Now we're able to produce the limpet here on site all the way up to and perform the non-lethal extraction. So really you've got a sustainable source of KLH all in-house in our controlled aquaculture environment.
Expansion into our own therapeutic product, in this case a treatment for the infectious disease Clostridium difficile, is exciting and logical.
According to CDC's recent statistics, there are 18,000 people in the US that are dying from this particular infection, and throughout the whole world there are incidents of 500,000 people a year. Stellar's directed immunotherapies to C. diff are both novel and innovative. The objective of this vaccine is to prevent the germinations of the spores into bacteria so that the toxins will no longer be a problem, and is also stopping the horizontal spread of the spores from individual to individual, as well as stopping the shedding of the spores and to contaminate the long-term care facilities and the environment.
Immunotherapies are really a hot sector in the biotech development area. At any given time, there are over 100 clinical trials going on that have KLH-based formulations. And so to ensure that some of these drugs, if not all of them, make it to the market to treat life-threatening diseases is very important.
By making KLH available through the aquaculture that we're doing, we're going to make available drugs to people that otherwise wouldn't be able to make it to market. You know, the environment gets protected and people get treated, and it's a win-win situation.
Stellar Biotechnologies is positioned today as the supplier of a key ingredient to multiple companies with vaccines and late-stage clinical development. And Stellar, as the key supplier to those companies, is positioned to take advantage of their growth and to provide very strong returns to our investors, our stakeholders, and to the environment.